Okay, so in this module, we're learning how to create invoices and sales receipts for customers, as well as doing bank deposits. So sales invoices and receipts are pretty much similar, except for one is where the money is outstanding still, and one is where the customer's paid you at the same time. So to do a sales invoice, you literally click on New, and under Customers, you click on Invoice. And like the supplier bill, you can either type or use the drop down. So I am just going to choose one of these. You choose your terms that you have with the customer. You put your invoice date in. I'm just going to keep what this is here. Now this bit here will either default to the next one, or you can choose your own one in there, and that is in the settings. Again, for now, we're leaving the location of the class. We're not looking at that. And just for now, I am just going to not use the VAT as well, because like I say, a lot of you won't be VAT registered. So you click down here, or you can type. So this will show you all the products and services that you have on your account. And in one of the later modules, we'll be going over adding products and services. So I'm going to click on here and say it's an employee celebration. Okay, and you can put the number of quantities. The rate is preset when you set up the product or service. So that's fine. I'm going to say, for example, if we do 2 of those, you can either save and send, save and close, share link. You can even share it by WhatsApp nowadays, so it's quite good. So I'm just going to click Save and New so I can show you again how easy it is. I'll wait till that one's done. Okay, so I'm going to do this one's Kathy's Consulting Company. Okay, I'm not going to change the dates. You can see this has gone up by 1 here. And I'm going to say for that one, it is employee training. And you can see again, the rate has gone in there. I'm just going to stick to 1 this time. Because I've gone off there, it has changed the VAT, which I'm just going to change back to no VAT for now. And I will just show you what happens if you click Save and Send. It shows me I haven't got my email address in there. So if I had a fake email address, I'm not going to send it, but I'm just going to show you what it will look like to begin with. It would come up with this saying for where it's coming from, to the customer's email address, and it says, here's your invoice, we appreciate your prompt payment. That bit can be changed in the settings, but don't worry about that. And they get here and they can review it, go in the invoice. So I'm not going to send it. I'm just literally going to cancel that. And I am going to save and close. Now, some of you may not necessarily actually send invoices out that are due later. You may take payment and want to send receipts from QuickBooks instead. So to do that, it's pretty similar. So it's new, and under customers, there is sales receipt. So again, you just choose the customer. I'm going to go for Clement's Cleaners this time. Choose your date today, any reference. You can mark them, so you can note how they paid, but you don't have to. This doesn't actually affect anything. And this bit is the bit that you're looking for, where it says deposit to. So I want to say it's to their current account. Okay. And so, for example, here, I'm just going to say they're paying for catering. This one hasn't been set up with a price. So I'm just going to say 1 at 250. Again, I'm going to take the VAT off of this. You won't have to do that all the time if you're set up as no VAT. This is only if you're only going to come across this if you're not VAT registered. If you A, have deregistered for VAT and were using QuickBooks when you were registered, or B, if you've clicked on it by accident to set up VAT, you can't switch it off again. Okay, so there again, you can save and send the receipt if you want to, or you can just save and close. What I'm going to do, because I don't want to send it, is I'm just going to show you what it actually looks like under the preview. So this will say sales receipt, tells you and how much you received from them, and there's a balance of 0. I'm just going to come out of that there. You can see that all there. So I'm going to save and close. Brilliant. So lastly, I wanted to show you about doing a credit note for your customers. So again, new and credit note. Okay, so let's do Benjamin. one we did a thing for. I'm going to keep that date. So you can see this is still going up. It's in relation to the invoice number. I'm just going to change the VAT on that before I forget. Okay, and I'm going to say it is for a gold party. We charged them in error for a gold party previously and we're refunding them, we're crediting them for it. So it was one at 2,000. Again, you can save and send or save and close or save and new. I'm literally today I'm just going to click save and close. That's it, pretty easy. You know, you can print them out, you can email them. Like I say, you can send the link via WhatsApp nowadays. It's really good. But that's it for this lesson, and I will see you in the next one.